So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can animate, how you can create a movement animation in Davinci Resolve using an image, a simple image. So what you have to do, it's super simple, is to simply drag your image. So I'll just grab the image, drag it on in this media pool. Here we have, if you don't see media pool, just enable from here, media pool. And I'll actually use this image instead of this one. I'll use this one. And now we have here this image. You can make this image last longer. Hold Alt and use the middle mouse. Like on your mouse, the middle button, you can the wheel, you can zoom in if you hold in and if you hold Alt. Or you can also go here and now we can increase the duration of this image. We can also zoom in. And in fact, I'll create this animation, very simple animation. So what you see here, when I zoom in and out from here, we can animate this zoom and out. We can also animate a position. We'll go left and right and up and down with keyframes. That's what they're called. So at the beginning of this video, we'll add a keyframe for position and zoom and also rotation, right? So this keyframe will influence or will dictate the movement, the position, and the rotation angle. So when at this time right now, the animation to last around this much, and now at this time I'll just zoom out, zoom maybe in like this, zoom in and then position up and then maybe a little bit left, like this maybe. Okay, and we have exactly this animation, as you can see. Now obviously here we can rotate more and maybe move a bit up and then left and something like that. And yeah. And if you want to see your animation, and that's very important, you have to click here and then here. So now here you can see your animation. If you only want to see your keyframes, like, you added the keyframe and then you change maybe the zoom, that's, you need to click here. And now here we have it. If you want to, from here, you can, change a lot of things here. We can click on this and then here select or retime speed. Sorry, and then retime speed. And now here we can select maybe everything. We can select change play with rotation, or we can play with zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, here are more settings, but I don't want to make this video too long. If you want a part 2, leave your just let me know in the comment section. And I really hope you learned something, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.